If you've been dreaming of crystal-clear turquoise waters, white sandy beaches, and that world-famous Fijian hospitality, you are in the right place. Fiji is a literal paradise on Earth, made up of over 300 islands, which can make choosing the right place to stay a bit overwhelming. Today, we are counting down the ultimate 10 best resorts in Fiji for 2026. Stick around until the end, because our number one pick is a total icon that offers the absolute best of everything Fiji has to offer. Let's dive in. Number 10. Castaway Island, Fiji. Kicking things off at number 10 is a resort that defines the classic island getaway. Castaway Island is nestled in the heart of the Nanuku Islands and is famous for its authentic thatched roof bures. What makes Castaway so special is its atmosphere, where you instantly feel like family. It's incredible for snorkeling right off the beach, and if you have kids, their kids club is legendary for its educational programs. It's the perfect place to disconnect from the world. Coming in at number 9, we head over to Vanuatu for the Jean-Michel Cousteau Resort. Founded by the son of legendary explorer Jacques Cousteau, the focus here is on the marine environment. They have a full-time resident marine biologist on site to lead snorkeling and diving trips. For parents, this place is a dream because every child under 5 is assigned their very own nanny. It allows the adults to enjoy a 5-star meal while the kids are having the time of their lives. At number 8, we have Nanuku Resort, located on the main island's adventure capital, Pacific Harbor. If you want luxury, but you also want a bit of adrenaline, this is your spot. You can go whitewater rafting through the highlands, or even take part in a cageless shark dive. The villas here are massive, many with their own private pools and cinema rooms. It feels incredibly private and high-end, but with a rugged edge you won't find anywhere else. If you're looking for romance, number 7 is for you. Tokoriki Island Resort is a boutique, adults-only sanctuary that has won most romantic resort awards year after year. It's all about the details here. Think outdoor showers under the stars and private infinity pools. It's a favorite for honeymooners because of the VIP program, which ensures your every need is met from the second you arrive. It is pure, uninterrupted bliss. At number 6, we have the Hilton Fiji Beach Resort and Spa, a sprawling oasis located on the sun-drenched shores of Denarau Island. This resort is a masterclass in variety, boasting 7 different pools and a massive stretch of private beachfront. It's particularly famous for its flexible accommodation, offering everything from standard rooms to spacious 3-bedroom villas with private BBQ decks. Whether you're grabbing a deli-style snack or enjoying a beachside massage, the Hilton delivers a perfectly balanced tropical vacation. Before we get to our top 5, I wanted to let you know that I've put everything you need for the perfect trip in the description below. You'll find links to the top 5 resorts mentioned today and a free travel planner to help you organize your dream itinerary. Make sure to grab that free resource and check those links after the video. Number 5. Six Senses Fiji. Cracking the top 5 is Six Senses Fiji on Malolo Island. This is for the traveler who wants the best of the best in sustainability and wellness. The resort is 100% solar-powered and even has its own gardens to create your own spa products. The residences here are palatial, often ranging from 3 to 5 bedrooms, making it the ultimate spot for a large family trip. They even have an on-site deli that serves some of the best food in the South Pacific. At number 4, we have the InterContinental Fiji, located on Natadola Beach, consistently voted one of the best beaches in the world. This resort is huge and has something for everyone, including an 18-hole championship golf course. If you're a spa lover, their Cleopatra bathing ritual is a must-try. For a truly elevated experience, I highly recommend staying at Club InterContinental, a resort within a resort with its own private lounge and infinity pool. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Vomo Island. This is a private island resort that manages to be both incredibly chic and family-friendly. Vomo is unique because the entire island is yours to explore, with 2 main beaches so you can always find a sheltered spot. The food here is farm to plate and truly gourmet. You also have to check out The Rocks, their adults-only beach club, which is the perfect spot for a sunset cocktail. Our runner-up at number 2 is the ultra-exclusive Kokomo private island. This is barefoot luxury at its absolute peak, where no expense was spared. It's an all-inclusive experience, meaning all your gourmet meals and many activities are included in the price. It's located near the Great Astrolabe Reef, one of the best diving spots on the planet. Whether you're in a beachfront villa or a hilltop residence, the level of service and privacy is practically unmatched. And finally, number 1, Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach Resort. The number 1 spot on our list goes to the Sheraton Fiji Golf and Beach Resort on Denarau Island. Following a massive multi-million-dollar renovation, this resort is the ultimate hub for luxury and convenience. It offers an unparalleled experience with access to world-class dining, a championship golf course, and several stunning pools. Whether you're enjoying the nightly fire lighting ceremony or using it as a home base for island adventures, the Sheraton provides the most complete and vibrant Fijian holiday imaginable. Fiji is a place that stays in your heart long after you leave. I hope this list helped you find your perfect island home. If you enjoyed this countdown, please make sure to like the video and share it with your travel partner. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. Where in Fiji are you heading first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.